Up first this evening, heightened concerns over the sale of 37 acres of beachfront development land in Alligator Pond, Manchester. Locals, visitors and business owners are concerned that they may lose access to the beach. Here's Kalisha Williams with part one of a primetime News in Focus report, Pain in Paradise, the Alligator Pond story.
A shrimp vendor versus the sweltering heat.
It's really rough.
Well, warmer temperatures mean more people be seeking a place to cool off, and more people mean more money. Michelle Smith lives in Slipe, St. Elizabeth, more than an hour away from the Alligator Pond beach and river in Manchester. She has been coming here for 18 years now.
It's just a business and you have to move to things to have things.
Hers isn't the only family this beach has been feeding. Clive Banton has been selling here for over 20 years.
We just have a passion for this place, so we born and grow this place. We don't know no other way without like Alligator Pond.
You have the river to my left and the beach just behind me. And as you can see, the river is the favorite of the two. Dozens of people from all over the island are here.
I've been here multiple times. I carry my family come here, we enjoy a nice Sunday evening.
It has been a peaceful area to come and relax. We call it our safe haven.
But safe haven for how much longer? It seems there could be pain in paradise. A YouTube ad published April 24, 2022. 37 acres of this land to the left of the river is up for sale, advertised as a prime location for a resort or overwater bungalow. The same area where Mr. Banton has his shop and where the shrimp vendor and others have been visiting for years.
I don't know who the person that they're going to sell this property to, if they're going to make me stay or they want me to go. Or they have to pay me some money for all of the money that I invest here. You understand? This is my livelihoods. You understand? All of my money that I have that invest is right here.
And on top of that, it was actually our news team that brought the news to the majority of the people here. So now there are concerns.
We want it to remain a public access beach. That's the cry of the people, because once this video went out, a lot of persons, they have been calling me to say, what can we do to ensure that we keep this space free access for all comers?
It is a shock, because I think that they should have have a census and got our opinion on it, and we could have see what it could go or where it could go from there.
Although it's a private property, you think they should have still done that?
Yes, because as we said, it's a private property, but it's a community thing.
On YouTube, the real estate company selling the property responded to one comment saying, "The property is private. The owner chooses to allow locals to use it for free." It said the owner now wants to sell his property, and the new owner may or may not be as accommodating as the current one. The company also noted that if a developer comes in and builds a resort, for example, it would provide employment opportunities for locals.
We haven't met an owner personally to say meet with the people. There are several groups in the community. We have a meeting with that owner to say it's a beach that they just allow us to swim. We know it as a free beach. We know it as a free river.
It is not fair, in my view, to sell all of these natural resources that the country has to offer to the citizens and Jamaican citizens for make money. It's not always about money for me.
So is this another case of the public losing access to the island's beaches? What are the owners of the property saying? And what do advocates think? Find out tomorrow. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.